Welcome to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence in everyday life. I'm Anna, and today we have a really useful episode.
And I'm Mike. Anna, I have to be honest, I actually needed today's topic last week. My car broke down on the way to work, and I had no idea what to say in English.
Oh no, that's stressful. But that's exactly why we're doing this episode. Today, we're learning essential English phrases for car trouble, talking to a mechanic, calling roadside assistance, and getting help when something goes wrong.
Perfect. So let's say my car won't start in the morning. What's the first thing I say?
Simple. Just say, my car won't start. That's it. Clear and direct. The mechanic will understand immediately. You can also add, I don't know what's wrong.
Easy enough. What about a flat tire? That happened to my neighbor last month.
For that, say, I have a flat tire. If you're calling for help, you can say, I have a flat tire on the highway. Can you help me? The phrase, can you help me, is short, but very powerful in an emergency.
What if the problem is less obvious, like a weird sound?
Anna, great question. Say, the engine is making a strange noise. Strange means unusual or unexpected. You can also describe it. It's a clicking sound, or it's a loud banging noise. The more detail you give, the better.
What about when the
Anna, 2 important questions. First, how much will it cost? Second, how long will it take? These 2 questions work in almost any situation, not just car problems.
Smart. And how do I know if driving is safe?
Just ask, is it safe to drive? The mechanic will give you an honest answer. You can also ask, can you check the brakes? Brakes are the system that stops your car. Very important.
And at the end, when everything is fixed?
Always finish with, thank you for your help. It's simple, but people really appreciate it.
I love how these phrases are all so short and clear. No complicated words.
That's the goal. Let's do a quick review. Remember these key phrases. My car won't start. I have a flat tire. The battery is dead. Can you tow my car? How much will it cost? Is it safe to drive? And thank you for your help.
Say them out loud at home. Practice them before you need them. Because when you're stressed on the side of the road, familiar phrases come out much more easily.
Well said, Mike. Thank you so much for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
We'll be back soon with more real English for real life. This is StartSpeak English, and we'll see you next time.